Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get straight into this video. This is my Marley twist that I've done, and I'm just showing you how I have it parted. I have it parted off in squares, and then I have 4 on each side in the front, so you all will see me part off the other side. And these are just my short Marley twists. I wanted something different. The hair that I am using is this Model Cuban twist hair, 16 inches in the color 350, I believe. But I was wanting some color, so this is the color that I want to try out. So I'm about to start parting off the front, and then I also have to part the middle. Now this is the rubber band method. I did not crochet the hair in. I started off with a braid, and then I just started twisting once I braided down a couple times. Now usually I would do the crochet method, but you guys, this time I want to try something different, and braiding was a lot faster. So here I am taking my Shine and Jam and applying that to my hair around the edges. And then I will put the rubber band on, and then y'all will see me start the braid and then go into the twist. Okay, and I'm about to show y'all just a little trick that I've learned, or it might not be new to y'all, but it's definitely new to me. I just added some oil to my rubber bands. This is just going to help prevent tension and breakage from the rubber bands when you're doing your protective styles. I saw this on another YouTuber's channel, so I definitely want to give it a try. So that is what I'm doing now, and then we're going to start the twist. So if you are already liking this video, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. So now I have the hair, and I just cut it in half, and what you're going to see me do is kind of stretch out the hair a little bit just so that it can twist a lot better and my ends won't be so thick at the bottom. Now I did dip my ends. This was my first time ever dipping my Marley twist. And honestly, you guys, I wish I didn't do it because it did not, you know, stay like it would with like other braids or other twists. I don't know if it was the hair or maybe I just didn't twist it too tight at the bottom, but it was unraveling a lot. But I still wanted to show you guys that this is what I did, but I would recommend not dipping your ends. So here is the finished look. You guys, this was so simple and quick and easy. I loved how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do all of those good things. And I hope to see you try this style. And if you do, make sure that you tag me, Everything's Tay, and follow me on Instagram at everythingstay_. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
No, I'm really just